Hey guys, it's me Keisha. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing yet again another life update. This is my first video, y'all. I promise. I'm going to be consistent from this moment forward. But the reason why I abandoned the apartment is because I moved in December, and of course I still have family in town from Christmas, so I left. And I just got comfortable in Austin. Like, you know, it's already fully furnished, everything is already livable, versus here is just a cold, lonely apartment. And although I enjoy being by myself, I'm finally at that point where I enjoy my own company and I don't need somebody else there. So that's a good thing, but it still was just a cold, lonely apartment because there was nothing in here. It wasn't livable. I just have a bunch of boxes that I still have yet to unpack. So I don't have any spoons, nothing is here. So I was eating out every single day, which wasn't really making me feel good. And I just felt like it's still nothing up in here, but I'm just forcing myself out of my comfort zone at this point. Because Austin is familiar for me, that it is livable there, but I moved here, not on impulse, but I moved here to challenge myself and just to step outside of my comfort zone. And although Austin is my comfort zone, I moved here for a reason. And I think I pushed myself out of my comfort zone too soon. But I'm glad I did that because it forced me to just grow quicker. So I just have to make Houston, this apartment, livable so that I can actually enjoy being here. So today I'm gonna go get some furniture. I'm going to open every single box, unpack every single thing up in here to make it as livable as possible so that I can actually enjoy being here. I moved here to take a risk, but I started to regret it, not because I don't like the city, but because I felt like I moved out of my comfort zone too quickly. But I'm glad I did because it's forcing me to grow sooner than I wanted to. You know how they say when you're comfortable, you're less likely to grow because you're comfortable. But then when you get uncomfortable, you grow quicker because you hit the ground rolling. So I am in Houston to stay. Well, actually, I have to go back this weekend to drop off the rental car. And the reason why I'm in a rental car is because okay, so I ate pizza 3 days in a row in Austin and my body broke out in hives. And so turns out I'm allergic to tomato paste, tomato sauce, which sucks because I love pizza, I love spaghetti. I am a tomato paste girl. But can't have it anymore. I developed an allergy to it, which is weird after all these years of eating it for so long. I would develop an allergy to it, but I can't have it anymore because it makes me itch, it makes me break out. And the itching got so bad that I needed to go to urgent care. So Walmart was in the same complex as the urgent care. So I'm like, okay, 2 birds, 1 stone. Usually I go to take 5 to get my oil changes, but this particular day I was like, okay, the urgent care is right here. If I can check in there, go drop my car off at Walmart and then walk to urgent care, while they're serving my car, I can be getting treated for the allergies. Walmart texted me, said the car was ready. I picked it up. Everything seemed fine at first, drove the car home. And keep in mind that I'm itching, like I'm still kind of irritated because my skin is still itchy, so I'm not really paying attention to the car. I drive straight home, it's about 5 to 7 minutes away. Take a nap, wake up from my nap, I realize Walgreens is about to close, so I want to go hurry up and get the prescription. So I hop back in my car and I noticed that there's oil on the driveway. And I didn't think much of it because I'm trying to rush to get to Walgreens. I start driving to Walgreens, I pick the medicine up, and when I leave Walgreens, the car is kind of jerking real bad, and it's shaking, and it's a loud, annoying sound. And I'm just like, okay, what is that sound? It wasn't here before. Me not really, thinking much of it, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just wait till I get home and I'm gonna examine it. So I drive another maybe 10 minutes home from Walgreens, park in a driveway, and then I just see oil leaking from my car. So I'm like, okay, that's weird. My mom, she popped the hood, of course. I don't know how she knows so much about cars, but she popped the hood, checked the dipstick, and we realized that the dipstick was completely dry, which means there was no oil in my car. We looking on the ground, puddles of oil. So I'm like, okay, I know Walmart did not just mess up my car. I know they didn't mess up my car. Turns out they messed up my car. I immediately go back to Walmart. I didn't take my car. I left my car there and I took my mom's car. So I'm talking with the managers and the person that's over automotives is gone for the day. So they're kind of giving me the runaround. I'm just like, no, I need my car fixed now. So long story short, corporate ended up getting involved, and now I'm emailing corporate back and forward. So I'm not gonna wait for corporate. So the next morning I took my car to my mechanic that, you know, I trust and know. He tells me that Walmart cracked my oil filter housing, and that's why all the oil was all on the ground, because there's a crack in it. I'm like, okay, how much is that going to be to get fixed? $300. Okay, I'm not gonna wait to have my car fixed. Can you fix it? They fixed the car. They called me back. They're like, bad news. I'm like, okay. Well, because you drove on it when there was no oil in the car, you ruined the engine. So now I'm waiting on corporate to cut me a check or to take my car to their mechanic to fix it. Yes, the engine has to be replaced. For me driving my car that short distance from Walgreens to my house, the engine has to be replaced now. Like he said, the engine timing, something is off. So I immediately go back to Walmart, tell them the situation. Corporate calls me. So I'm emailing corporate back and forward, and we're trying to see what we're going to do. They're not sure if they want to cut me a check and just, you know, just let me go to my own mechanic, or if they want to take it to their mechanic. I feel like they're going to do whichever one is cheaper. I really don't care. I just need my car fixed, because I'm not going to keep paying for rental cars, and they better reimburse me because this is their fault. And I don't know why I decided to go to Walmart. Well, I know why, because it was in the same complex as the urgent care, but I never trust Walmart with my mechanical like stuff. Never. I've never been to Walmart for an oil change. I always go to Take 5 because I know them. They 5 minutes, and it's not that much more expensive than Walmart. I think it's like $60 versus Walmart. He charged me $47. So for $13 saved, I've ruined my engine. And it's not because I was being cheap, it's because I wanted to knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. And I'm just so glad that I checked the car first, and I went home to take a nap, and I had to wait on my prescription because I was about to drive back to Houston, which means I would have been stuck on the side of the road with a car that wasn't working. So it's only by the grace of God that I was still kind of itching and tingling. I went home to take a nap, and then I still had to wait on that prescription. So yeah, that's the car update. Do not go to Walmart to get your mechanical work done. Walmart will ruin your car. My mama says she's still going, but you know what? She's been going for years. They do her right. It is what it is. Just spend a couple more dollars because it's just really not worth it. Like, I'm so sad that I trust Walmart, because now bigger issues, you know, bigger problems. So yeah, while Walmart is doing that, I'm going to take this week to come to Houston, try to furnish my place, make it as livable as possible. And then on Sunday, I'll go drop the rental car off. And if they're done, or if they cut the check already, then I'll stay a couple of days just to put my car in the shop. But if not, I'm most likely going to get another rental car, because I cannot go without having a car. Like, that's just, at this point, that's just adulting. I cannot be without a car. Okay, next I just want to show you guys what I got from TEMU. It's a China-based company that pretty much sell everything. It's like the new Shein, and they're really, really cheap, but I'm sure they're going to eventually go up just like Shein did. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got from them. The first thing I got from TEMU are these wooden bowls. I am obsessed with them. I was looking everywhere for some of these, and they were either really, really big like salad bowls, or they were tiny, almost like sauce bowls, but none of them was just like a nice little sushi noodle bowl. So this is the perfect size. But the color just look luxe, and I just love the bowl. I think the aesthetic is gonna go so cute in my place, especially since I have so much white. I want to incorporate some woods and just some, you know, other colors. So I really like these. I'm gonna go back and get 2 more just so I can have a complete set. I also got the strainer. You hook it on the pot, and you know how you're just pouring the water out? You can just kind of, and the noodles and stuff always fall out. Because you have this, the noodles are not gonna fall out, but I'll show you guys. This is the pot, and this is how it's gonna hook to the pot. That way when you tip it over, the noodles won't fall out, but it'll still be getting the water out, and this hooks onto the pot. So I really love this, and all this stuff was extremely cheap. Next I got a meatball maker, because how fun is this? I admit that most of the stuff that I got I really don't need, but how fun is a meatball maker? And it's just so tiny. It sucks that I got a meatball maker, but now I'm allergic to tomato paste, so I can't even make spaghetti. But it's still really cute. I also ordered this. I'm not sure what the hell this is. I think it's for cleaning bottles. I don't even know what this is. Let me look and see what the hell this is. That's when you know you're just ordering stuff you don't need, when you don't even know what the hell it is, but you ordered it. Keep in mind that I ordered this back in December though, so I haven't even looked at the stuff. I don't know what I'm about to pull out these boxes. I just ordered a bunch of stuff and now I'm finally just opening the boxes. Okay, yeah, this is just a bottle maker. Wow, this is such a waste of money. But it's just to clean bottles, literally nothing else. I got this. This is a stand. When you're cooking, you put the cooking spoon on here. It opens like this, so you can just sit the cooking spoon on here without putting it on the counter. Because my counters are white, and I already have like a butter or oil stain that do not want to come off of it. So I think I'm gonna get some of the pink cleaning stuff just to try to get it off, but I just don't want to put anything that stains on the counter. So I got this little piece so I can just put the cooking stuff on here. Next, I got these rose gold forks and spoons. Whoa. I don't know why they package this all individuals, but whatever. They're these really cute rose gold giant spoon, round spoon. These are so cute. Okay, let's see what I have next. Told you I haven't been here in months. Oh my gosh. Let me get some scissors. Hold on, guys. Like I said, I could not tell y'all what this is, but we are going to find out together. What the hell I waste money on? Oh no! I broke it. Oh, this is what I get for not taking my time. Oh, I broke it. That sucks. I think I spent the whole $8 each on this too. Dang. Okay, I'm gonna open another one slowly so you guys can see what it is. I guess it explains why they did so much with the packaging, because it's glass. It just looks so cheap though. I wouldn't expect glass to be in here. But I guess when you order from China websites, you get what you pay for, right? Let me take my time this time around so I don't burn a break. Okay, well here it is. It's a little glass bamboo top cups. And you guys seen the really aesthetic cups that everybody be having. It's kind of like that, but it will square. And I like the square ones better. But I got a set of these and they are 4. I also thought the wood was going to be the same color as that, but I guess not. So here's the full complete set. They are so adorable. Yes, I broke one of them. I'm gonna go back and order another one just so that I can have a complete set, but they're so stinking cute. Okay, what is next? Let me take my time because I don't want to break anything else. Okay, I got these so that I can hang them in the shower. But if you guys seen my apartment tour, they already have a little spot for the shower, so I really don't need these. I would have returned them if I hadn't waited months, but yeah, I don't think I'm going to need these. Maybe I can use them in a closet, but I got maybe 3 of them and it just kind of, it comes with nails and you just can hang them in the shower. That way you have little shelving inside of the shower. I got a rack just for some shoes. I think I got this from one of the discounted stores though. I didn't get this off that website, but it's just a rack for some shoes. Might as well show you guys this. I have shelves in my, like a cabinet in my bathroom, so I was just going to hang these up. They have a little clip at the bottom of it so you can hang them on, like on dressers or shelves. That way you can have like it divided. So a lot of these things seem random, but it was a method to the madness, y'all, I promise, because I was not trying to waste any money. But everything was just so cheap, and you know how when you first get an apartment, you just want to spend money and get everything and all the aesthetically pleasing items. And I really want to be organized, so I got everything I thought I would need to organize. But of course, I thought I was going to have the option to send this back, but since I waited months to take it out of the box, I'm kind of stuck with this. So I'm going to try to make it work, and if not, I'm just going to donate it. Okay, what is in this box? This box is big, so let me be careful because I don't know if I ordered any more glass. I don't think I did. I have a box cutter. I don't even know why I'm using this. Hold on, let me get my box cutter. Oh, haha. Okay, so sometime on the website, they give you free items. Usually when you spend a bunch of money, they give you free items. And this is one of my free items that they offered me. Nothing spectacular. I just picked a bunch of pans so when I'm cooking, I can just kind of cook with it and trash it. Just to avoid doing dishes as much as possible. Also, I ordered these because when I first moved here, I didn't have any pots and pans, and I still was doing research on exactly what I wanted. I ended up settling for it, not settling, but I ended up going with Caraway. I also got a toilet brush, which I'm kind of mad that I purchased this because I brought a new one from Ross, which I also have a Ross haul coming soon. I have a lot of hauls for you guys because I ordered hella stuff. But the one I got from Ross, it covers the entire stick and is hidden away, and I just don't want to look at toilet brushes. Versus this one, it only covers the brush part. I do like the fact that it's black though, because you don't have to worry about it getting dingy and the yellowness. Toilet brushes are so disgusting to me, so I can throw one away faster, basically. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I already put the little brush part on, just kind of spins on. Put this on tight because there's nothing more annoying than having to put it on tight after you have already been using this part of it. But yeah, I got a toilet brush. Okay, this one says a 36 piece and is extremely heavy. What the heck is this? Guess there's only one way to find out, huh? This is gonna be a treat. It's also the last item. Oh, I know what this is, and this does not come from TEMU, this comes from Amazon. All my packages are together, so I really don't be knowing what comes from where. But I know exactly what this is, and this is such a treat. Oh my gosh. Look at me about to break something already. But these are my seasoning containers. So gorgeous. They are gorgeous. I didn't realize I purchased so many of them. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 18, 36 of them. Pretty sure I won't use that many, but the seasonings that I cook a lot with, I'm just going to make them multiples. I don't have any seasonings right now, so I will save this video for when I get some seasonings. So yeah, this pretty much sums up my TEMU haul. I'm gonna have all the links in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being so patient with me. I have so much new content coming out. I'm here in Houston to stay. I'm not going back to Austin for any long extended periods of time. So grow with me. Remember to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Yeah.